So your system is completed. Okay, I have created user interface as well. So first of all, to run the project, what you can do, you can simply go to Google or download Python latest version, or any version will be okay. Okay, just download and install it. Okay, and install some libraries like pip install Tkinter. This is the one of library which you have to install, and then you have to install this matplotlib. Okay, you have to install matplotlib. Just type install some these URLs here, these commands. Okay, and pandas. Okay, as of now, just download and then down install one more below. Okay, these four libraries you have to install. I think there is one more like beautiful soup library that you also have to download. Okay, for that, what you have to do, you have to let me check the command for beautiful soup. Yeah, this is the same command. So you just have to download this library. Okay, beautiful soup for. Okay, and once you download these libraries, so then you can install VS Code. And in VS Code you can do key, you can go to this file section, and then you can go to this open folder, and then you can select your project folder, whatever I will be giving to you. Okay, and there is a one main file. So then you can go to this terminal section, then new terminal, and then in the new terminal, then you can type command python main.py. You just have to type this command. Once you type this command, it will, label is not defined, just a second. Yeah, actually, I have removed that unnecessary library. So one of the useful libraries is also removed. Uh, the import packages as deleted. Okay, so yeah, it will work. Okay, so once you run this command, then it will show you this basic user interface as you asked. Okay, so here you have to provide the ticker symbol. Okay, basically we have used this Yahoo Finance uh, website for scrapping. Okay, so it requires like Yahoo Finance. This is the uh, finance. Let me check. Go with the direct URL. So this is the website from where we are scrapping the data. Okay. So here you can see, here you have to type the symbols. Okay, so suppose I want to check for Infosys. Okay, so I have to type the Infosys symbol. So the symbol for Infosys is this one. Okay, so this website takes symbols, it also take names, but for scrapping purpose we have to type the symbol. Okay, because we are directly parsing with this URL, so it takes symbols only. Okay, so I have given you one file which is the Yahoo ticker symbol file. So it contains all the symbols of all the stock which is available on stock market, whether it is USA, India, all stocks symbols are available. So you just have to type the symbol. Okay, just like let me put a Apple symbol, Apple company. It is the Apple company symbol. Okay, and then you have to type the number of days. Okay, how many number of data you have to scrap. Okay, suppose I want to scrap 10 days data, then I just have to type 10, and you just have to click analyze stock, then it will scrap Apple data between these 2 days. This is starting time, this is the ending time will be 2 days date. Okay, so I think I have right wrong symbol name. Data saved to stock. Yeah, I think the Apple symbol name is not this one. Okay, uh, let's type Amazon one. Okay, Amazon. You can get the symbols name from the given file. You just have to go to file. Okay, as you can see, if you type wrong symbol name, then it will show the pop-up key invalid symbol, right? Just we have got, right? So this is for Amazon, like 10 days data. This is the adjacent close, this is the last close price of that particular stock of that particular day. So as we have requested for 10 days, so this day the price was 142 or something, right? Similarly you can calculate this. Okay, and then there is one more graph which is the highest price of all those 10 days. Okay, similarly let me close this, and this is the 100 days moving average. So this is the moving average price, this red blue line, this is the normal price, and this is the 100 moving average key from last day, how price is getting fluctuated, and what was the volume of that day. It is we are also printing that, okay, plotting that. Similarly, this is the same graph, okay, and this is the stock price over the time, okay, and this is the moving average, or like same, okay, and this is the trading volume. So these are the some analysis which we can do with the stocks. So we have done certain 4 to 5, okay. So you can type this way. You can type the symbol name days. Suppose I want to scrap 100 days data, so you just have to type 100. That's it. Then it will scrap 100 days data automatically. Here you will be also able to see the logs key, how actually it is getting performed. Right, as you can see, key we have started. Then it is printing some data, and then like that, okay. So this is the 100 days data. So it has given some like gap between 2 days, because it can't plot 100 days in the same simple graph, okay. That's why. So it internally matplotlib handle all these things, okay. So yeah, so this way, like we have done the your assignment. You can let me know if you have any doubt or anything, okay. We have used beautiful soup, pandas.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.